Hello everyone. Today we are making Ragi Roti. So this is a very nutritious breakfast recipe I'm going to show you. Ragi is also known as finger millet in English. So this is very healthy and gluten-free recipe. It's loaded with vegetables and minerals, all dietary essential whatever you need, it will be fulfilled with this recipe. So it's very healthy for even calorie conscious people. So, and also diabetic friendly. So I'm taking I've taken here 2 balls of ragi flour. To it I'm adding salt and green chilies, chopped onions, finely chopped onions, and I've grated a carrot and coriander leaves, and also chopped curry leaves. And now I'm going to add this is gram I think this is chana dal, yeah, Bengal gram. And now I'm adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. It will help you to digest, and also it will give a nice earthy flavor. And also or about a tablespoon of sesame seeds. White sesame I'm adding because it will complement also to the ragi flour. When it is finished, you can see it will look attractive also. So even the children can eat it. It is otherwise the kids will not eat any thing made out of ragi, but this is a good recipe. They will also find it attractive, and they will think, oh, this is a nice color, a chocolate color roti, and they will start eating it. So now I'm mixing the flour with lukewarm water, or you can use hot water also if the ragi flour is not like it is old ragi flour. If you use, then you can use hot water to mix it. And now I'm not completely mixing it, so I've partitioned it, the dry flour aside, and here I'm nicely mixing the ragi mixture here and making balls out of it. So you can decide how big you want your roti to be, so you can take that much of portion. And now I've taken a A4 sheet paper here. You can use any kind of paper. So on that I'm applying oil, and now we'll start making the rotis. So this is a hack using the A4 sheet paper so that it will not stick to the paper, and you can easily lift it and put it on the tawa. So if you do it on how we make regular rotis, if you make it in that way, it might stick to the surface and it will not be easy, it will break. So now that's why we are using a sheet of paper here. We'll add oil and make rotis on it and transfer the paper directly on top of the tawa. So now you can see that you can through the paper you can see that whether the roti is getting cooked. So once it changes the color, we can remove the paper. So now I'm making another roti here. So in that way, when you transfer one roti that is getting cooked there, then here I'm making one more. Started making one more. So in this way, we'll make the rotis. So you can go and look for akki roti also in our channel. That is also a very good recipe. You can go check it. Look for it. And see, this is how it gets cooked. You can see it will be visible through the paper. Now I have removed the paper. I'm going to add oil just to the center of the roti, because the surrounding there is a lot of oil there already. So the ragi flour is like it will change the color as it gets cooked. You can easily make out that it is getting cooked. So now we'll flip it to the other side. No need to add oil here because already there was oil there, and also on the paper we had put oil. So in this way we can easily make our rotis. So pair it with coconut chutney. It is the classic combination. So nice coconut chutney I've made here, and drizzle some ghee on it, on the roti. It's the best combination. Ragi roti with coconut chutney and ghee. You'll thank me definitely. So subscribe to our channel and like and share.